Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Risalah Ar-Rahman, 9 October 2025. In the name of Allah, the more gracious, the more merciful. Allah Azza wa Jalla said, "You play games with my testimony. Behold, punishment will spread everywhere, and you will have no forgiveness from me. You are obsessed and amazed by Qasim, and you commit shirk, associating me, Allah, with others. An Imam is one who does not who he is, and is the one I, Allah, have transformed in a single night. Truly, the one who does not know my witness is among my chosen. And truly ye, Qasim, is only proclaiming, I, Allah, have power by my will."